In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Adobe XD to Figma. By the end, you will have your Adobe XD design imported right into Figma, using a simple plugin with minimal fuss and maximum clarity. First, open a new or existing Figma file. If you've already got a project where this design belongs, open that file so the import lands exactly where you want it. If not, create a fresh Figma file. This gives you a clean space to review everything after the import. Either way, make sure the file is active and visible on your screen. Next, head to the Actions menu at the top. Choose Plugins, then search for Convertify and run it. This plugin is designed specifically to bridge formats, and it handles the heavy lifting for you. When you search from the Plugins section, you should see Convertify appear. Select it and run it so the plugin window opens right inside your Figma workspace. If your workspace has multiple tabs open, keep the file you are importing into selected so the plugin knows where to place the results. When the Convertify window appears, look for the drop-down menu and choose Import Adobe XD to Figma. This tells the plugin exactly what kind of file you are bringing in and ensures the right conversion settings are used. It's a small step but a crucial one for accurate results, especially with layers, artboards, and text. Now, drag and drop your .xd file into the designated drop zone in the plugin. Make sure you are using the original .xd file you want to convert, and give the plugin a moment to recognize it. Larger files may take a beat to register, so don't worry if you don't see instant feedback from here. Let the plugin do its job. Wait as Convertify processes the file and imports the design into your Figma workspace. The time it takes will depend on the size and complexity of your XD file, so keep the window open and avoid clicking away while it works. As the import completes, you will see your frames, layers, and artboards appear inside your Figma file. Most structure, text, and shapes should carry over cleanly. After it lands, zoom out to get the full picture. Then zoom in to check details like text alignment, images, and any effects. If something looks slightly off, small adjustments with Figma's native tools like tweaking typography or layer ordering usually get everything pixel perfect. And that's it. Thanks for watching.